Alright, today you're going to be making your initials with the pen feature and the robot. I don't care if you do both initials or one initial, you just need one for the points. So whichever one you want to do, you can. You're going to go to Playground right here to get started. And we'll just leave it on Grid Map. Go ahead and hit the expand to make him a little bit bigger. Slide it over. Alright, keep in mind that when you're drawing your initial, try to keep it pretty even. Alright, so count your squares however long you want to make it. For me, I'm going to make the J for my first name Joe on here. I'm going to move the robot up and kind of over to get started to center it up so I'm not drawing down here in the corner. So I'm going to drive forward. Alright, and I want him to drive forward. I'm going to go, we'll start right in there. So that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, go ahead and go 10. So that would be 1,000, and then you can watch it. It's just going to move up to where I want to start. Alright, and then I'm going to have him turn to the right for 90 degrees. I'm going to start on the top half of my J going this way. So I'm going to have him turn right, and then I'm going to have him move forward for 200 just to start it right there, just to show you what's going on. He's going up, and then he's going to turn right and move to there. Now I'm going to start drawing my top of the J right here. I'm going to have it draw. I'm going to go ahead and go, we'll just go ahead and go 2, 4, 600. Alright, so he goes to there. So I want to put my pen down before I start drawing. So I go pen down, then I got to select the color. I don't care what color you draw in. I like the color blue, so I'm going with blue right here. Alright, so my pen's going to go down, and he's going to draw my line across the top. So now I want to drive forward, and I want to set that for 600. So now if you watch what I have, he goes up to get centered, he turns and starts drawing there for 6. Now I need to bring him back and work down and finish out my J right here. Alright, so I'm going to bring him back to the center. So if I went 600 across that line, the center then would be 300. But I need him to turn all the way around first. So I'm going to go turn to the right. And I don't want him just to go 90. I want him to go 180. So that way he changes directions. Alright, he's going to spin all the way around. Then I want him to drive forward for half of what I just did there. So that would be 300. And then I want him, I'm going to drive to here. I want him to turn left. So that way I can draw down. So now I'm going to turn left. So he turns left, and now I'm going to have him draw for 600 down. So now he's going to drive forward for 600. So if you just watch what I got going, again, it's going through my code right here. It flashes when it changes to there. Now it's drawing. Then going to spin all the way around, come back, and go down to there. Now I want to bring it out for my J this way, so he needs to turn right. I'm going to turn right for 90. Alright, and then once he turns right, I'm going to have him go forward for another 300. And obviously this will change for your letter, unless your first initial is a J. You're going to want to be drawing your letter, so don't draw the same initial I am unless you have a J right here. Just kind of watch to see how to do it, and then you can maneuver yours. So he's going to go that way for 300. And then to finish it, I want to turn right and go up for a little bit. So he's going to turn right, and then I want him to drive forward Let's see what 300 looks like there. Just to hit play and take a look at it. Alright, so from that point, I'm going to have him pick the pin up because I don't want him drawing anymore. So I'm going to pick the pin up so he's not drawing, and then just kind of move him out of the way. So I'm just going to have him go up and out of the way to finish here, just so I can take my screenshot. As he finishes up here, my pin will go up, and then he'll just move out of the way, and now I have the initial J right there. So that's it for drawing the initial. Remember, unless your first initial is a J, don't draw the J. Draw whatever your initial is. Make sure you take your screenshot, start outside of here, get your code and the letter, and then attach it to the document for turn-in. Remember, we're using the same turn-in all week. I'm going to post 2 assignments. They're on this document right here. So this is Wednesdays. You'll use the same turn-in for both screenshots. If you have questions, email me.